travel time. The picnic. Hey, look at this picture. There is the seashore. Neha Ben is Golu's mother. Rohit Bhai is Golu's father. Who is Golu's sister? Rohit Bhai has a newspaper. He is reading the newspaper aloud. Neha Ben is listening to the news. She has a basket. There are apples in the basket. Golu and Pinku are playing cricket. Golu has a bat. Pinku has a ball. There is a balloon man. He has balloons. They go for picnic by bus. Wow, they all seem to have a wonderful picnic. Now, let us fill the empty places of the given sentences by the names of the things that Pinku and his family have. Pinku's mother has a basket. Pinku's father has a newspaper. Neha Ben's daughter has a ball. Rohit Bhai's son has a bat. Now, let us count how many times the given words are used in describing the picture. Has. The word has is used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Is the word is used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times. Mother. The word mother is used only one time. Golus. The word Golus is used 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 times. There. The word there is used 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Pinku. The word Pinku is used 1, 2, 3. She. The word she is used only one time. Are. The word are is used 1, 2. 2 times. Here are some letters in this table. Let us find the words starting with these letters from the description of the picture and also write some new words. Let us start letter B. The words starting from the letter B are basket, bat, ball, balloon man, balloon, buy, and bus. Some more words starting with the letter B are boy, bag, brinjal, big, etc. The letter C. The word starting with the letter C is cricket. Some more words are cup, camel, cat, come, cold, etc. The letter S. The words starting with the letter S are seashore, sister, and she. Some more words starting with the letter S are sit, stand, short, stamp, sun, etc. The letter T. The words starting with the letter T are there, the, to, this, and they. Some more words are teacher, tomato, there, tiger, truth, etc. The letter I. The words starting with the letter I are is and in. Now you tell me some more words starting with the letter I. Yes, they are it, ice cream, I, inquiry, etc. The letter N. The words starting with the letter N are Neha Ben, newspaper, and news. Some more words starting with the letter N are nurse, notebook, not, new, no, name, etc. Wow! We have written all the words correctly. Isn't it great? Come now, let us answer some question based on the picture. Who has a bat? Golu has a bat. Who is Golu's mother? Neha Ben is Golu's mother. What is Pinku's mother's name? Neha Ben is Pinku's mother's name. Is Pinku Golu's cousin? No, she is not. Who has a newspaper? Rohit Bhai has a newspaper. Where is Pinku's family? Pinku's family is on the seashore. Is there a balloon man at the seashore? Yes, there is a balloon man at the seashore. Now look. Here are some sentences on Golu's family. Some of these sentences are true, while some are false. Come, let us read the given sentences and write true for the true sentences and false for the false sentences. Neha Ben is Pinku's sister. False. Golu is Pinku's brother. True. Rohit Bhai has a magazine. False. They are at the seashore. True. There is a balloon man in the picture. True. There is no water in the picture. False. Look at these sentences. The words in the sentences have got jumbled and are not in their correct order. Let us read these sentences and arrange their words in the correct order to form meaningful sentences. Neha Ben fruits has. Neha Ben has fruits. Golu playing is. Golu is playing. Pinku Golu's sister is. Pinku is Golu's sister. Father is Rohit Bhai Golu's. Rohit Bhai is Golu's father. Golu's red is ball. Golu's ball is red. Are there students in the class? There are students in the class. Pinku, Golu's sister is Pinku Golu's sister?